Welcome back to the Wallet Security video series, short, focused videos designed to help you understand and protect your crypto and Web3 wallets. In this short video, we'll explore one of the hidden foundations of every crypto wallet, the derivation path. A derivation path is the structured formula your wallet uses to generate every key and address from a single seed phrase. In modern wallets, this path follows a standard pattern, ensuring you can restore the same accounts and addresses on any compatible wallet or device. Understanding derivation paths is essential for wallet recovery, cross-platform compatibility, and avoiding loss of access to your funds. Before we look at how derivation paths work, it helps to understand where they fit in your wallet's key structure. Every wallet starts with a seed phrase, which generates a master key, and from there, a derivation path guides how every address is created. Let's look at how that process works behind the scenes. First, the seed phrase. It's the starting point of your wallet's key system, usually a 12 or 24 word phrase based on BIP39. Second, the master key, or parent key. It's mathematically derived from your seed phrase and acts as the root for all future addresses. Third, the derivation path format. It follows a standardized pattern, a kind of formula that tells your wallet exactly how to generate addresses. Each number and symbol in that path defines where your wallet looks when creating new keys. Fourth, the coin type. This tells your wallet which blockchain to use, for example, Ethereum or Bitcoin. It's one of the most important parts for restoring wallets correctly across different platforms. Fifth, the account and change levels. These organize your different accounts and transaction change addresses, so your wallet can manage multiple balances safely under one seed. And finally, deterministic consistency. Because derivation paths follow a predictable structure, your wallet can always regenerate the same keys and addresses, perfectly, every time you restore your seed. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to like and subscribe. Your support helps us keep producing free educational videos that strengthen crypto security for everyone. Thanks. Now let's look at a simple template you can use to record the information needed to recover your wallet safely. First, the wallet name and type. This helps you remember exactly which app or device your wallet was created with. Second, the wallet version or model. Versions change over time, so recording this ensures you can restore your wallet later using the same or a compatible version. Third, the seed phrase, also called your recovery phrase. It's the master key to your wallet, 12 or 24 words that must always be written down offline and never stored digitally. Fourth, the derivation path. This defines how your wallet generates addresses and can be essential if you ever need to recover your wallet on another app or platform. If it's visible in your wallet settings or documentation, record it for future reference. It helps ensure you can restore the same addresses later, even years from now. If it isn't available, make sure other key details, like your wallet type, version, and creation date, are safely recorded, so you can identify the correct recovery setup in the future. Fifth, the passphrase, if you use one. Some wallets let you add a custom 25th word for extra protection. Just remember to store it separately from your seed phrase. And finally, your backup locations. Keep track of where your recovery materials are stored, for example, a metal plate in a safe and a paper copy in a secure deposit box. Recording this information carefully, and testing your recovery once in a while, ensures that no matter what happens to your device or wallet software, you can always regain access to your crypto safely. This was a short introduction to derivation paths, the hidden structure that keeps your wallet organized, recoverable, and secure. To test what you've learned, visit CryptoSafetyFirst.com and take a short quiz on wallet recovery and derivation standards. And if you'd like to go deeper, explore the 3-wallet model, your guide to structuring crypto safely for daily use, trading, and long-term storage. For more free lessons, downloadable resources, and educational videos, visit CryptoSafetyFirst.com. Stay informed. Stay secure. Stay in control, and help others stay safe too. Thanks for watching.